enjoy this moment. Take time to build a relationship with each other. And at the same time, kailangan ipakita natin yung excellence as part of our core values pa rin. Okay, excellence and relationship building. We are all one team. So we're doing this for the whole organization at the same time kung paano natin gagawin naman yung mga kailangan natin gawin towards our clients. So yun yung end goal natin. So have a blessed day, enjoy the day, and let's get it on!
And then for everyone, thank you so much for participating, giving all your best, being sports. So we're just happy and right now, we're complete. Madami tayo. Dati 2 teams lang kami. Ngayon, 3 teams na. So again, thank you!